guys, this is Kristen at Cooking in the County, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick banana bread. Now, I've never been able to make banana bread and have it be kind of like puffy. It's always been kind of like short and dense and not really moist and yummy. But I found this recipe 1,000 years ago. Of course, I vamp it up and add little different things to it, but this has been the best banana recipe I've been able to find for me to be able to make. It is so quick. It takes about almost an hour in the oven, but preparing it is very quick. So here's a list of ingredients you're gonna need to make this banana bread.
This is so easy. 8 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 beaten eggs, 3 mashed bananas, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon or apple pie spice, and 1 1/4 cups of flour.
First thing we're gonna do is add a stick of softened butter. And I just put it in the microwave and I sort of kind of melted it a little bit, not bad. So it's morning, it's still snowing out. I haven't even had my coffee yet, so this will be interesting. I just want to get the banana bread cooking. So 1 stick of butter. We're gonna cream in, see, morning time, no coffee. We're gonna cream in 1 cup of sugar. Okay, and get those. Stick of butter, softened stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar. Get that creaming together. Okay, so we're gonna crack a couple eggs. 2 eggs. And 3 bananas. We're gonna mash these together before we throw it in there. Okay? My bananas aren't too ripe, but they're pretty ripe. Just gonna take them and mash them the best you can. I'm just gonna use my fingers. You can use a fork too. So 3 bananas, 2 eggs. Okay, make sure you have your oven warming at 350. My oven takes a while to warm up, so we're just going to break up the eggs and the bananas and mush them all together. Okay, that's all I'm doing. Mushing the eggs, mushing the bananas. Okay. Okay, now we're going to add it to our butter and sugar. Just like that. Get that creaming up. A few more ingredients and we're done. I add apple pie spice, only because it has nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon. You can just add cinnamon. You don't have to add this at all. I like it. I feel like it gives it a little flavor. So I do 1 teaspoon of that, half a teaspoon of salt, half, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and it's gonna look a little, it's gonna look curdled. It's not curdled. It is the bananas. So don't freak out. I'm gonna take a picture just so you know what I'm talking about. So don't forget if it looks like this. All that's left is the flour. 1 1/4 cup of flour. I shut it off because once I start adding flour, I don't want to beat it too much. Okay. 1/4. Okay, keep the flour incorporated. so it looks perfectly fine now. Okay, that's it. Like seriously, that's it. So, and I love this recipe because it makes one pan. You don't have to have 16 loaves of banana bread that you don't even know what to do with. So I just spray this with ham spray. Scrape her out. Scrape the sides, scrape the bottom, make sure everybody is mixed in good. And throw it in your loaf pan. That's as easy as it can be, right there. Straight it out a little bit. Okay. Let's go in the oven for 55 minutes at 350. I'll show you when it comes out. Okay, our banana bread is all done and the smell in this house is so yummy. It was 45 minutes that it baked at 350. Okay, let's see this. So, the smell. Okay, a really good tip too is if you can see around your bread, like it kind of is pulling away from the pan, you can tell that that's done, okay? Not sure what's holding it here. Okay, I like to flip my bread out. I don't want it to keep cooking because I'm afraid it's going to overcook and get dry, okay? Well, only because we're doing it on TV, it wants to stick. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that awesome? I'm thinking it's the bananas. I haven't been doing so great lately, guys. I really haven't. I don't know what's going on here. But this shows you all this stuff can happen in your kitchen as well. So we're just gonna do this and no one's even gonna know the difference, okay? Guess I shouldn't bake before coffee, I guess. Okay, you won't even know the difference here, right? So we're just gonna flip it and let it cool. Cut it so you can see. How moist that is on the inside, how broke up it is. Isn't that awesome? So glad I brought you this recipe. It's a great recipe, it really is. Look how yummy. Okay guys, if you do this, maybe flour your loaf pan because for some reason mine did not want to. That is so yummy. Okay guys, maybe flour the bottom or put some parchment paper down so it doesn't stick. It's never stuck for me before, but of course today it wanted to stick. So, guys, I hope you try this, and I hope you love it. But also, as always, if you like these videos, click the like and subscribe button and give me a big fat thumbs up. So my videos will keep on going. So let me know if you make it. See you guys.